This video goes over how to add new users to your Facebook business account. Facebook is also known as Meta. Start at business.facebook.com. If you aren't on a screen that looks like this with the sidebar, just click the tool icon at the bottom left and you should arrive in this section. All right, so make sure you're on the People's tab under Users. You would click Invite People. Enter their email address here. Make sure that it's an email address that's associated with Facebook. After that, you would click Next and send the invite to them. They would then find it in their email or in their Facebook account and be able to accept the invite. Please note that once you add someone to your Facebook business account, they'll be able to see all of your pages and your ad accounts, even if they're not a manager or admin on the page or the ad account. If you want to add this person to a page or ad account, once they're on this list here, just click Pages. Then you would click the page that you'd like to assign the person to. Click Assign People. Check off the person on the list that you want to assign to the page and how much access you want them to have. You would then click Assign at the bottom. It's very similar with the Ad Account section as well. So you would click Add Accounts. Click Assign People for the correct ad account that you want. Then select the person that you want to assign to the ad account and how much access they are going to have. You would then click Assign as well, and they would then be added to the ad account or the page. And that is all for this video. Thank you for watching.